Violence has reared its ugly head amid the ongoing voting in the first phase of Panchayat elections. Violence has been reported from a polling booth for Gram Panchayat at Fulbari Tarinipur at Katigora in Cachar district. The fight reportedly broke out as a group of people allegedly tried to engage in booth capturing. Reports are coming that the group of miscreants tried to capture the booth and rig the voting process there and were met with resistance, which resulted in violence. A few persons have been injured in the violence that occurred. As per sources, the booth was closed down for about an hour, and sources are telling Notice Live that voting has resumed amid tightened security. That's a big breaking news coming in amid the Panchayat elections underway. Violence erupted in the Violence has reportedly erupted from the polling booth for Gram Panchayat at Fulbari Tarinipur at Katigora and Cachar district, and the fight reportedly broke out as a group of people allegedly tried to engage in booth capturing. And reports are coming that the group of miscreants tried to capture the booth and rig the voting process there and were met with resistance, which resulted in violence. And as per report so far, a few persons have been injured in the violence that occurred. As per sources, the booth was closed down for about an hour, and sources are telling Notice Live that voting has resumed amid tightened security. With the first phase of Panchayat polls underway in Cachar district, reports of violence has erupted from the Katigora. Yes, all right. We have connected with our correspondent Vikram Sarkar to give us more details. Vikram, that's a first report of violence from Katigora in Cachar district. Can you tell us how is the situation right now? We will try and reconnect with our correspondent. That seems to be a technical glitch. That's first report of poll violence viewers amid Panchayat elections voting underway. We have reconnected with our correspondent Vikram. Well, Vikram, that's a first-hand report of violence from Cachar district in Katigora. How is the situation right now?
Well, Reshma, as we have came to know that the violence erupted while trying to vote rigging to capture the vote. The fight between two parties broke out who tried their strength to start the rigging. In this entire incident, some of the people got injured and some got badly injured. Though after entire episode of clash, police and forces have been deployed, and now after a gap of 1 hour, now the casting of vote again started smoothly. This happened at Katigora constituency in the area called Fulbari Tarinipur GP Gao Panchayat area, number 2 booth polling station, where the entire clash broke out while two of the parties were trying to capture the voting station, and that entire clash broke out. Reshma.
Well, Bikram, it's 9:30 now, and if it's that hour, it was held down for almost an hour, 8:30. Means the voting started 7:30, and within an hour there was this chaos in Katigora area. Can you give us exact numbers of injuries there?
Well, so far the official numbers are yet to come, as because just half an hour back the entire thing happened. The clash got started there at Katigora constituency. It's far away where we are standing in now, but the information that we are getting, it's more than 5 to 6 people are injured, and some of them were taken to the nearby PHC or the facilities, and also the forces are being deployed there, and this is just the start of a day. After 1.5 hours of the start of the day, this kind of incident happened, and the people are also assuming that this kind of incident may happen in some other interior parts.
Exactly, so Vikram, if you could tell us which are the more critical polling booths where this can happen. This is the first report from Katigora area, and where are the vulnerable areas, polling booths, if you could mention?
Well, there are some of the areas like in the Sonai area. If you talk about Sonai constituency, in the interior part, in the villages, this kind of vulnerable situation can get, this thing can turn up. But police has already deployed their forces. After deploying the forces in Katigora also, this thing happened. But now their police and forces are on alert mode, so that no, this kind of incident can be get prevented, and forces are being deployed. Rishma.
Yes, Vikram, with this violence that broke out in Katigor area, is there any chances that people may come out to vote or not? What on that?
Yeah, definitely. After many of such incidents, no one can stop voting, because people have their own mind. They have made up their mind, because it is their fundamental right. It is their democratic right.
All
People
right,
are
Vikram,
coming up. Still now, the people are.
All right, Bikram, we'll get back to you with the latest updates that we have. Weavers violence that has reared its ugly head in Katigor area. More than 5 people have been severely injured. Well, thank you, Bikram, for joining us. As of now, we'll get back to you in our later bulletins.